Everyone, I hope all are you fine. Today is your maths class and we are going to start our maths chapter. Okay, this is your book math site. Okay, I hope you all have books. So we are going to start our maths chapter. Chapter number 1 is numbers. What is chapter number 1? Numbers. In previous class we have learned numbers, okay, 1 to 100 numbers, 101 to 200 numbers. So before starting the chapter, last week we have write types of numbers. There are two types of numbers, okay, cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. What is the cardinal numbers? When we count the object, we use the कार्डिनल नंबर. जब हम ऑब्जेक्ट को काउंट करते हैं तो हम किन का यूज़ करते हैं? हम कार्डिनल नंबर्स का यूज़ करते हैं. लाइक 1 2 3 4 5. ओके, so these are the cardinal numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Then what is the ordinal number? When we talk about the position, जब हम किसकी बात करते हैं? पोजिशन की बात करते हैं. ओके, तो we use ordinal numbers like first, second, third, fourth and fifth. So when we talk about the position, we use ordinal number first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth and 10th. You always remember types of numbers, cardinal number and ordinal number. Okay class, now we are going to start our chapter numbers. At the beach, Ragini and Madhu are playing on the beach. They have collected many types of shells. Okay, they are Ragini and Madhu and they are playing on the beach. They have collected many seashells. Okay, so you have to count seashells collected by the Ragini and Madhu. We have to count seashells and write the numbers and their number names. These are the seashells we have to count. In how to do count we have learned in previous class. So you have to count like 1 2 3 4 5 6, okay, and write the number and their name. How many cells are there? You have to write here and write the number. Our next topic is tens and ones. Okay, here is two bundles 10 10. Okay, there are 10 matchsticks in one bundle and 10 matchsticks in second bundle. So 10 and 10, 2. 2 means 20 tens. 20 tens means 10 and 10 is 20 tens. And there are 6 sticks. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 sticks means 6 ones. 6 is a single number, so we will write here 6 ones. And 10, but one bundle of 10 and two bundle of 10 is 2 tens means 20. To 20 plus 6 is equal 26. So once in one place 6 will come and 10's place 20 means 2 will come. Okay, so we can understand for this example tens or ones. We will write tens or ones from 11. Okay, here is a 10 bits in one row and 1 bits in one row. So we will count and write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 10 bits in one row, okay, and 1 bits in one row. So 10 and 1 is equal 11. Next is 10 and 2. 10 and 2, 12. 10 plus 2 is equal 12. So 2 in one place and 1 in 10 place. Okay, 1 means 1 10. 10 and 10. 10 and 10, 20 plus 1 2 3 4 5. 5 is equal 25. So 5 will come in ones place and 2 will come means 20 will come in tens place. Okay, so we can understand tens or ones. Okay class, 35 plus 5 means 30 tens means कितने बंडल्स होंगे उसमें, 3 बंडल्स ऑफ 10 सेट्स. 10 के 10 के कितने बंडल्स होंगे, 3 बंडल्स होंगे मीन्स 3 टेंस एंड 5 वंस. लाइक दिस वी कैन राइट 3 in tens place and ones in 5 place. Oh sorry, 5 in 1 place. Exercise 1.1. Complete the given table. Number, expanded form in figures, expanded form in word and name. Okay, we have to write here number, then expanded form, then expanded form in words and then name. So we here is given expanded form in figures and number is blank. Expanded form in words we have given and name also given. So name is 56, so number is a 56. Expanded form in figures means 50 plus 6 is equal 56. We will write here 56 number. So this is the 56 number. In expanded form in figure, 50 plus 6 means 5 bundle of 10. Okay, expanded form in words, 5 tens and 6 ones. 6 is a single, so we will write in one place, and 50 is 5 tens, so we will write 5 in tens place. Name 56. This is the number of 56, so we will write their name 56. Second is a 87. So we will write expanded form in figures. So 87, so 8 in 10 place. So we will write 8 bundle of 10. Okay, so 8 bundle of 10 is equal 80 and 7 will come in one place. Okay, expanded form in words, how we write 8 tens. How many tens? 8 tens. Okay, and 7 ones. 8 tens and 7 ones is equal 87. Now we will write here name 80, EIGHT and Y, 87, SEVEN, 87. Okay, now next I am leaving for you. You have to write. Okay, you have to do this one. Second is identify the numbers shown in given abacus and write their names. Okay, we have to identify numbers and show the we have to write numbers, identify numbers, and जो अबेकस में नंबर दिया अबेकस में नंबर है वो हमको यहाँ पर लिखना है और उसका नाम लिखना है. ओके, वी हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई नंबर्स और their names. So we will count one side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 beats in one place. So we will write 7 in one place. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 beats in 10 place. So we get 97. We have to write here name 97. Okay, NINETY 97, SEVEN 97. Okay, so how many bits in there? 97. Sorry, in 10 place in 10 90 bits and one place 7, 97. Next is B. I am leaving for you. You have to do. Okay. Question number 3. Draw the correct number of beads on the abacus and write the numbers in the space given below. We have to draw abacus on the beads on the abacus and write the number. So we have to draw 45 beads, means 5 will come in one place. So 5 beads we will draw on the ones place, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 4 beads in tens place, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 45, 5 will come in one place and 4 will come in tens place. Okay class, I am leaving B, C, D, E, F for you. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज पैटर्न्स स्किप काउंटिंग. स्किप मतलब होता है छोड़ना. ओके, वी हैव टू we have to learn skip countings. How to do skip countings? Look at here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 or 10. I have write 0 to 10 numbers, and how to do skip counting we will learn. Okay, 2s, 2 skips. Okay, we have to skip 2 numbers. We will go on 0 to 2, then 2 to 4, then 4 to 6, then 6 to 8, and 8 to 10. We are leaving one number. Okay, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, so these are 2 skips, 2 number skips. 0 to 2 जाएंगे, then 2 to 4, then 2 to 6, 4 to 6, and 6 to 8, and 8 to 10. Next is 4 skip. How to do 4 skips? 0 to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we will go on 4. Then 4 numbers will leave. 5, 6, 7, 8. We will go on 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. We will go on 12. So this is the pattern skip counting. We have to skip numbers and write the patterns. Okay. Next is 5 skips. How to do 5 skips? 0 to 5. We will go on 0 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we will go on next 10. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will go on 10 to 15. We are leaving 5 skips countings. Okay, 5 skip counting we are doing, and 4 skip counting, 2 is skip counting. So we have to learn before starting the exercise. We have to know about the pattern skip counting, how types of patterns are given. Okay, we can learn in exercise 1.2, identify the patterns and find the missing numbers. We have to identify the patterns and missing numbers. Okay, we can understand like this. First is given 10, 20, then dash, 40, 50, dash. Okay, simple. 10, 20, 10, 20, then 30, 30 will come. Okay, 40, 50, and 60, 60 will come. So this is the pattern of 10 skip counting. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. Next is 1, 3, 5, dash, 9, dash, dash. So 1, after 1, 2 is leaving, 3. 3 after 3, 4 is leaving, 5 after 5, 6 is leaving. Okay, we will write here 7. Then 8 is leaving, 9, 10 is leaving. So we will write here 11, 12, skip 12, and then write 13. So this is the 2s counting, 2 skip counting. There is a one number is skip. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Next 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 I am leaving for you. You have to complete. Next topic is bigger and smaller number. Okay, we have to learn about bigger number and smaller number. In previous class I hope you have learned. Okay, so we will learn bigger number or smaller number. How to do identify the bigger number and smaller number? We can identify tens or ones. Okay, tens place 2 on tens place 2 and ones place 4, and here is 10 place 4 and 1 place 5. So we will identify bigger number from the tens place. Here is a 4 and here is a 2. In 2 and 4, which one is bigger? Okay, 2 will come first, then 3, then 4. So 4 is a bigger number. So we will write circle on the 45, because 45 is a bigger number. Okay, now when given the same number on 10 place, 5 and 5, then what? Then we will identify from the ones place. Okay, in one place here is given 7 and here is given 9. So we will identify from one place when given the same number on 10 place. Okay, so 7 and 9, which one is bigger, 7 or 9? So 7, then 8, then 9. So 9 is a bigger number, so 59 will be bigger number. So we will circle on the 59. In identify the bigger number, you have to identify tens place. You can identify from tens place. If tens place are given same number, you have to identify, you have to identify from ones place. Okay students, smaller number, like bigger number, we can understand, we can identify smaller number from ones place and tens place. So here is given 1 on tens place and here is given 2 on tens place. Okay, so 1 is a smaller which one is a smaller number, 1 or 2? So 1 is a smaller number because 1 will become before to 1. 1 पहले आता है, इसलिए हम क्या करते हैं, इसको हम क्या कहेंगे, स्मॉलर नंबर. ओके, नाउ व्हेन गिवन द सेम नंबर इन ऑन 10 प्लेस, जब सेम नंबर 10 प्लेस पे होते हैं तब हम क्या करेंगे, तब हम कहाँ से आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे, हम वंस प्लेस से आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे. ओके, 3 and 5 ऑन वंस प्लेस. सो वी हैव टू नो which one is smaller, 3 or 5? Before, in counting 3 is coming before. 3 कब आता है, पहले आ रहा है, so before the 5. Okay, so which one is smaller number? 43 is a smaller number. Okay, so bigger number is smaller number, we can identify tens or ones place. So if same number on tens place, we have to identify from ones place. Okay, now exercise 1.3, you have to color the bigger number and smaller number. So in question number 1, color the bigger number, you have to color the bigger number. Here is a given number 74, there is a name of 74, so we will write here number 74 and next is 21. Okay, so students, you have to identify the which one is bigger number and then you have to color in the box of bigger number. So here is a given in tens place 7 and in tens place 2. So which one is bigger, 7 is the bigger number, so we will color 74. Okay, you have to color 74 because 74 is a bigger number. Okay, and I am leaving B, C, D, E, F for you have to color the bigger number. Next is color the smaller number. Now we have to color the smaller number. So here is given 27 in 18, 1 8 18. So which one is smaller? Here is a given 2 in tens place and in one place is 1. So we have to, so we can identify the smaller number. 1 is a smaller number, so 18 will smaller number, so we will color the 18. Okay, you have to color all numbers, smaller numbers from the questions. Okay, B, C, D, E, F I am leaving for you, you have to color these numbers.